Hello everybody and welcome to a virtual showing of 15837 51st Place. So this one is courtesy of my friend Eric Jensen at North&Co. We are off of 56th Street, just between Bell and Greenway, smack dab in the middle of the Kierland, Desert Ridge, and Paradise Valley Mall. Nice cul-de-sac lot to start with here. All right, so let's get started. So you'll notice over on this side, yes, I'm wearing gloves. We are doing safe showings these days. RV gate. And you'll notice from the outside, you have both flat and concrete tile roof. And on this side, another yard entry. So plenty of access from the front. Let's go in. So walking in through the porch, like it's a good clean tile roof. I'm not seeing any issues there. And the stucco is just on the outside. Stucco's in good shape. Doesn't look like it needs to be painted anytime soon. So that'll save you a few $1,000. Siding's in good shape. Let's go inside. All right, here we go. So things about this house: windows, all dual pane, all updated. Kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, all within a year or two. Pool within a year or two. I think the roof was 2012. But here's your living space. Look at those floors. That is a tile floor. Plenty of room for the dining room table. That's an 8-person. And you'll see that TV. That is no joke of a TV. That's a big boy. I think it's taller than me. That's not saying much, but it's still, a good-sized TV. You see those dual pane windows right over here. We'll go to the bedrooms last here. I want to get the rest of the living space. As you walk in, you come into the other living room with the kitchen. Little bar with overhead cabinets, and then boom. So the other living room has a door to the outside, nice wood fireplace, open to the kitchen with a nice island, quartz countertops. And I really like this fireplace. Look at this door, that's cool. Very neat. Yes, I say the word neat. A real nice bright kitchen with those quartz countertops. Here's a feature often overlooked, but always appreciated: the single tub sink. And because I am a dork, I always check above the microwave. I just prefer an exterior vent, and yeah, that one has it. So when I mess up dinner, if you're cooking something smoky or exhausted, you got to get that out of there, and that'll vent out instead of recirculating. I never like that, but it's an extra bonus, nothing severe. There's your look to the living room from there. So more windows over here. I just have them closed so I don't get too much sunlight because it's that bright in here. And then over this way, you have laundry. There is some storage over to that side. 2-car garage. Your standard 2-car. Well, I like you don't have storage in the way, blocking any of your parking. You have a nice sink, water heater, pretty much a garage. All right, so walking back through, we'll go through the great room here. We'll head over to the bedrooms. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, master, and then 3 guests. There I am. Hello. All right, so master, double door entry, ceiling fan. That is a king bed, by the way, with about 5 feet on each side. I like that barn door. That's cool. And as I walk through these rooms, because I'm an inspecting dork, I'm always looking for water stains and things like that, and I'm not seeing any red flags. That's another big TV, probably about a 4-footer. I'm way taller than that TV, though. All right, here we go. Master bathroom. Completely well done. Completely done. And one of the most important things to a happy marriage and relationship: 2 sinks. Let's check out this shower. What I like about this shower, check out this pan. Different color, I like that effect there. And I like they didn't go short. They did wall to ceiling tile. Nice overhead, nice fixture too. And another thing often overlooked but always appreciated is the separate toilet room. All right, so check out these guest bedrooms real quick and then head outside. But going down the hall, so we have bedroom, 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 bathroom. Of course, a Nest thermostat. I wonder how old I don't know how old the AC is, but I'm guessing I don't want to guess. I'm not going to guess. So, bedroom number 1. This one has vaulted ceilings, you'll see. It's the only one that has vaulted, but that is a queen bed with about 3 feet on each side. And of course, Oh, no walk-in closet, but a slider. It looks like about a 6-footer. Going this way, we have another, that looks like a full. Is that a full or is that a queen? God, there's about 4 feet on each side of that bed there. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Once again, every room has dual pane. They didn't just do it everywhere at one room here or there. The whole house has dual pane windows. And I like that kind of stuff. And the last bedroom. And another closet, of course. And about 3-4 feet on each side of that bed. And that looks like another queen. So you have in the hallway, you have 2 storage closets. And then the last bathroom, this one was updated too. The whole house was. 2 sinks again. Wall to ceiling tile. And a super fancy shower head. All right, let's get outside and then we are done. So we'll go this side through the master. Why not, right? So like I said, even this was updated, which I like. So no single pane. That stuff is crap. Pardon my language there. All right, here we are in the backyard. Nice pool off to the side. I like when a pool doesn't dominate the backyard. It's located well. Really wide open and clean back here. A little putting green too. First thing I noticed back here is almost zero maintenance. No lawn to cut. You have some green and plants to take care of, but that's it. You have the pool, which is gonna be maintenance, but I'd rather have a pool. So, and as far as this pool, they said it was updated in 2018, and yeah, it looks like it was. Nice pebble sheen. You've got that anti-vortex drain cover there. That's good for safety, and an extra storage room. This doesn't go to the front yard. This is a storage area before the RV gate. There's the RV gate. You'll see the storage right here. And these big tanks will heat the pool if you so choose. And that equipment looks great. Got some older valves, but I like this piping. It's all painted and clean, and that is pretty. That makes me happy. And that right there, in case you don't know, that's the heater. All right, let's go to the other side of the backyard. Oh, a nice block wall. I like block homes. They're just steady, they're solid, easy to take care of. Oh, by the way, that's your drainage right there for the flat roof. Water comes out of that bad boy. Okay, going through, nice covered patio. A couple things I always do during showings is I always check the bottom of the columns and the overhangs here for water damage. And I am not seeing anything. It looks really good there. So walking through the yard, it's really wide open back here. I'm liking that. I'm not closed in at all. There you go. 15837 North 51st Place. Virtual showing. I can do this on any home. I can go live, FaceTime. I can do a Zoom call, or I can just do pre-recorded and then go from there. So that's it. Any questions, let me know. Thank you.